In this video, you will learn about how to create the sketch by using Onshape. Let's move on to Onshape. Click on Create, select the document, rename the document as Sketching Practice 1. Click on Create. Select the front plane as a reference plane and click on the sketch. To look perpendicular to the sketcher plane, press N in the keyboard. While we are making a drawing, at least make sure that any one of the line should be on the horizontal or vertical line so that it will be easy for us to make the constraints. So let me start the diagram from here. So select the line command, click over here. So let me make the approximate shape of it by using the line command. Later we will provide the dimensions. So now I have made the rough sketch. Now let's try to provide the dimensions for this. So click on the dimension icon, select the dimension and provide the dimensions. Just click and drag it and provide the dimensions. So now we have provided all dimensions. Make sure that the sketch is fully black, that represents the fully constrained sketch. So if the sketch becomes a fully constrained sketch, then click on the green tick mark to confirm the sketch. So now we have created the 2D drawing of the given object by using the Onshape. Thanks for watching.